Alright, in this video I'll show you two things, how to enlist the conflict file, a git conflict file, and how to open them with a specific editor to resolve the conflict in a git repo. Okay, so basically I have two git aliases which do the job to resolving enlisting the conflicted file and resolving the conflict. To resolve the conflict, it open up with your preferred editor. Okay, so the conflicts happen when the remote stuff is not getting matched with your local stuff, vice versa. Okay, so that's how the conflict happen in the git repo. So I'll show you some example, and the git alias will help, okay, to give you some sort of sense what I've just spitted to you. Let me I'm already in a Linux next repository, and if I write git conflicts, see, this many file gets conflicted while I pulled from the remote, and this files is having a confliction. That's why it is showing. Okay, so this is one of the, instead of remembering the long command, you just write conflicts and it will show you the enlisting of file which is having a confliction. Okay, now there are 7, 8, 9 files. So if you want all of them at once with your favorite editor, whatever it is, in my case I have configured it with Vim. It could be Emacs or it could be anything else, whatever you like, and it will open all this conflicted file, so you can go through them and fix the conflicting part, then save it back and commit them. Simple process. This is one of the process. Now if I write git open git open conflicted files, okay, and see, it open. If I go to the next file, and it will show. Okay, if I do Control B, you see all the conflicted files are open like this. So you can easily see, because I have FZF built in with Vim, okay, integration with Vim, so it will show me the files here, so I can find out the conflict very easily, right? So this is very easy way to find out how the confliction can be easily resolved if you are using git repo with a little bit of tweaking here and there. In this case, two git aliases which helped me to get through this. Okay, so this is one of the way. Okay, and if I close it, and if I close all of them, and if I write, sometime my system is so misbehaved that it's very difficult for me. Okay, so now aliases grep conflict. You see, these two aliases are there in my global git config file, and you clearly see the first one is enlist the conflicted file with a diff filter, and it will only show the names. other attributes are muted. Likewise, the second one is same, the git diff name only, then the unique files, and then it pipe to your required editor. Okay, so these two git aliases help to nail down or ease the conflicting issue to resolve. Okay, instead of manually going through and hunting down stuff, if you put these aliases in your global git config file like I have, and then the step, whenever you see a conflict happen, you could simply run git conflicts to get the enlisting of the file where the conflicts happen, or git open conflicts file, which will basically open the files simultaneously with your favorite editor. Okay, so these are the two little things which might help if you deal with the git repository. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people, and sorry for the glitches. Somehow my system misbehaved, that's why the glitches were there, but I hope it will be useful. Thanks for watching.